Welcome back to the channel where I bring you the best Amazon deals and honest product breakdowns. Today I am showcasing the top 5 electric bikes for men and women, selected for performance, comfort, and real value for your money. If you are searching for power, range, and reliability, stay tuned because these 5 e-bikes stand out in every category. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Apex 50 electric bike for adults men, 3000 WAWD dual motors, UL listed 52V25H/48V25AH removable battery, 35 miles per hour, 7-speed, LCD display, full suspension, 26-inch by 4-inch fat. The Apex 50 electric bike is engineered for riders who want extreme power, all-terrain capability, and long-distance performance. It features dual 3000W all-wheel drive motors that create an aggressive and responsive riding experience. When both motors engage, the bike delivers rapid acceleration and impressive climbing strength, making steep hills and loose terrain much more manageable. The dual drive system is designed for users who want confident control whether they are riding on pavement, gravel, or rugged trails. This model includes a UL-listed battery system configured as either a 52V25AH or 48V25AH removable pack. This allows solid performance and flexibility for different riding distances. With the 52V option, you get more torque, more sustained power delivery, and extended range. The removable design ensures that charging can be done off the bike, and users have the option to carry a backup battery for longer adventures. The Apex 50 is capable of hitting speeds up to 35 miles per hour. This speed range makes it suitable for experienced riders looking for performance beyond standard commuter bikes. The 7-speed gearing system adds mechanical versatility, giving you the ability to fine-tune your pedaling for different terrains. The gears are smooth and responsive, creating a balanced ride whether you are cruising or pushing the bike for faster acceleration. Number 2. Jason Retrovolt Pro electric bike for adults, 2000W peak motor and 38 miles per hour and 90 miles, 52V20AH removable battery, hydraulic brakes e-bike, 20-foot x4 fat tire electric dirt bike. The Jason Retrovolt Pro is designed for riders who want power, range, and a unique retro-styled frame. This e-bike stands out with its 2000W peak motor that allows it to reach speeds up to 38 miles per hour. The acceleration is quick, making it suitable for both off-road riding and fast commuting. The motor performs smoothly across different elevations, giving riders enough torque for hills and uneven ground. The 52V20AH removable battery is engineered for long-distance performance. Depending on riding mode and terrain, riders can expect up to 90 miles of travel on a single charge. This range makes the Retrovolt Pro suitable for long daily commutes or weekend exploration. Having a removable battery also allows charging away from the bike, which is helpful for apartment living or workplace charging. The bike features a dirt bike-inspired frame combined with 20 by 4-inch fat tires. This tire size gives the bike excellent traction on gravel, sand, and soft ground. The compact tire height also increases maneuverability, making it easier to handle in tighter spaces or technical trails. It delivers stability without sacrificing agility. Hydraulic brakes provide high stopping power and consistent control. Whether riding at fast speeds or managing steep descents, the braking system is designed to stay responsive and reliable. Number 3. Hovsco electric bike for adults 1500W peak motor, 32 miles per hour off-road fat tire e-bike, 20-inch by 4.0-inch tires, 48V1525AH battery, dual suspension and hydraulic brakes. The Hovsco electric bike is engineered for riders who need a balance of power, comfort, and off-road capability. With a 1500W peak motor, it provides enough force to reach speeds up to 32 miles per hour. This level of torque is ideal for climbing hills, crossing tough terrain, or maintaining high speeds on flat roads. The motor engages smoothly and maintains steady power even under heavier loads. The bike is equipped with a 48V battery system offered in either 15AH or 25AH versions. The larger battery provides extended mileage, giving riders the flexibility to choose how much range they require. The removable battery design makes charging more convenient for residential users or those who want to travel with additional backup power. The 20 by 4-inch fat tires are designed to handle a wide range of terrain types. Whether riding on dirt trails, sand, snow, or uneven ground, the tires provide grip and stability. They also help cushion the ride when combined with the bike's dual suspension setup. This suspension system absorbs impact effectively and keeps the bike stable even during off-road riding. Hydraulic brakes ensure controlled stopping power. Riders can maintain confidence at higher speeds because the brakes respond consistently even on steep descents or wet surfaces. The braking system, combined with the fat tires and suspension, creates a safer and more balanced riding experience. The Hovsko design incorporates a modern look with a clear display that shows speed, battery level, riding mode, and distance. The handlebars and seating position are built for comfort, allowing extended rides without unnecessary strain. Number 4. Electric bikes for adults, 27.5-inch e-bikes for adults with 1200 W peak motor, 28 miles per hour, 50 plus miles range electric bicycle, e-mountain bike with 48 V 10.4 Ah removable battery. This electric bike is created for riders who want a lightweight yet powerful mountain-style e-bike. With a 1200 W peak motor, it reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This allows riders to travel faster during commutes while still having enough power to manage moderate off-road terrain. The motor delivers responsive acceleration and solid climbing ability for hills and extended inclines. The 48 V 10.4 Ah removable battery provides more than 50 miles of riding range depending on terrain and power mode. While lighter in capacity compared to larger long-range e-bikes, this battery helps keep the bike balanced and easier to maneuver. Charging is convenient, and the removable design makes it simple to bring the battery indoors. The 27.5-inch tires make this model roll easily over obstacles and provide a familiar mountain bike feel. The larger wheel size improves efficiency, especially for longer rides on pavement or dirt paths. Combined with front suspension, the bike maintains control and comfort on mixed terrain. This model includes a 7-speed drivetrain that lets riders adjust pedaling effort for different environments. The gears transition smoothly, making it easier to switch between uphill pedaling and high-speed cruising. The braking system is designed for dependable performance in both dry and wet conditions, giving riders confidence during commutes or trail rides. Number 5. Jason EB5 electric bike for adults with peak 750W brushless motor, 40 miles 20 miles per hour commuting electric mountain bike with 360Wh removable battery, 7-speed, 26-inch tires and front fork suspension. The Jason EB5 is a dependable commuting and light trail electric bike made for riders who want simplicity, reliable power, and everyday practicality. With a peak 750W brushless motor, this model reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The motor delivers smooth acceleration for city streets and neighborhood riding. Its design makes it accessible for new riders while still offering enough power for moderate hills. The bike includes a 360Wh removable battery that supports up to 40 miles of range depending on riding style and mode. This makes it suitable for daily commuting, short errands, or weekend recreational rides. The battery can be charged on or off the frame, adding convenience for users who need indoor charging options. The EB5 comes with 26-inch tires that provide stable handling and a smooth ride. Combined with front fork suspension, the bike absorbs minor bumps and road vibrations effectively. This improves rider comfort, especially during longer rides or uneven pavement. Thanks for watching. All product links are listed below for easy access. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to check out my other review videos for more top Amazon picks. Your support helps me keep bringing you the best recommendations. See you in the next video.